Ohio's Republican government Mike Dewine announced new administrative rules to restrict access to health services that cause gender for transgender adults, 1 week after the vetoing legislation, which will prohibit the care of minors. DeWine said at a press conference that Ohio will open rules for public opinion interpretation on Friday. DeWine added that the rules would require a comprehensive maintenance plan (INA), including long mental health consultancy before considering any medical intervention from the provider of transsexual adults. DeWine's proposal is among the most added the country transsexual adults looking access to medical care suitable gender. It is likely deteriorate on people who are looking gender and further deteriorate even worse. Thousands of transsexual adults in Florida. Gov.Since May, when a law signed by Ron Desantis has disrupted the ability of most state healthcare providers to manage gender services, has been fighting to access prescription drugs. A second rule described by DeWine on Friday will require healthcare providers in Ohio to inform you of gender dysphorisi and subsequent treatments. DeWine said, "This means in simple English, it means that no one can look at the data and he cannot say who he is. We always do this to protect privacy. Total data reporting is often in Ohio." DeWine added, "The causes of food poisoning from flu cases to the causes of food poisoning. The data on abortions." On Friday, the governor signed an executive order for minors that prohibited gender operations. According to guidelines determined by Professional Association of World Transsexual Health and Endocrine Society, gender surgery is not recommended for transgender children and adolescents under age of 18. DeWine 29 on December 29, 2019 trying to completely prohibit the health services that confirm gender for non-disregarding health services. On Friday, DeWine spent the last few weeks of 2023 with the families of medical experts and transsexual children. You can't prove that you are negative. I can't say that there's no surgery on a little boy," DeWine said on Friday. "But still, if any, we must ban them," he said. DeWine's refusal of Bill 68, which will prevent the competition of transgender women and girls from women's school sports teams, received sharp criticism from conservative Republicans, including former President Trump and DeSantis, who campaigned for the GOP presidential nomination. Ohio is expected to vote for DeWine's vetoes over the next week.